Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to delete Okcupid profile. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Okcupid app. Once you're in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. After you are logged in, you'll see this kind of interface. Now, in order to delete your Okcupid profile, you need to go to your profile settings. Here you can see the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on it. Now choose the settings options over here. Once you're in the settings menu, here you can see the delete or pause account option. Tap on it. Tap on next. It'll ask you the reason why you want to delete your profile. So you can give your reasons and tap on next. It'll ask you a bunch of questions. You can answer accordingly. After that, you'll be prompted to this page. Here you can see two different options, whether to disable your account or delete your account. Now, in order to delete your profile permanently, you need to choose this delete my account option. This action will permanently delete your profile and you cannot revert this process. So if you are sure that you want to delete your profile, only then you can select this option. After that, tap on this next button at the bottom and you will be able to successfully delete your Okcupid profile. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.